Hi, my name is Doug Jarvis, and we're here at the Belfry Theatre for the Spark Festival, and I've got my piece here, Ectoplastic Scream, and it's installed in the front foyer of the Belfry for the duration of the festival, which runs until this Sunday. And they asked me to kind of install the project in this kind of common space for people to see, in between going to shows. And it's good because it's an interactive video piece. So you walk up to the cabinet that it's kind of housed in at the moment and stand about 4 feet back. And what it does, it's got a Connect 360, which is the Xbox kind of game controller, and it's using that as the eyes and the sensor, and so it can see you. So when you walk up to the cabinet, you can kind of see the avatar head in the cabinet, and it either has its eyes shut when you approach it, and then it will open its eyes, so it sees you walking past. And so then when you stand in front of it, say about 4 feet back, and then look at it, it uses facial recognition to see your face, and then you open your mouth like this, and that controls the amount of ectoplasm that comes out of the avatar head. And so ectoplasm is it's kind of the manifestation of a spirit guide through the body of a medium, so traditionally in a seance ceremony. And what I've done is kind of taken that inspiration and turned it into an interactive video piece in collaboration with Limbic Media, and they're kind of a new media production facility here in Victoria, and they also run the G++ gallery, and they commissioned 5 artists to do projects, and so mine was one of them. So I came with this idea of working with ectoplasm, and together we developed this kind of interactive video piece. So what I kind of wanted to achieve was a project that played with the idea of being in multiple dimensions and thinking of the virtual dimension, in game worlds or on the internet, Facebook, and our representation in these virtual worlds, and to kind of be able to play with that and kind of flip it around and explore that in the context of ectoplasm being a spirit or a ghost manifesting in a physical form in our dimension. So I'm kind of using the virtual medium and game interface to kind of flip it around so that we, as the ghosts, manifest ourselves in the virtual environment of the cabinet, and we can kind of see ourselves as you would think a ghost might be able to see themselves manifest through a medium. We can see ourselves in the ectoplasm that shows up on the screen. And so that's using the game, the game tool, the sensor, and kind of the functionality of that to kind of subvert it a bit and play with it to explore the idea of being in multiple dimensions. So this is the second manifestation or iteration of the project. The first one, like I said, was commissioned for the G++ gallery, which is on Fort Street, which is great that Victoria has a new interactive media gallery. And there I worked with the programmer, Paul, and Majinder, the engineer, and together we kind of put together the visuals and the audio for the work. And Paul really helped by being able to kind of script, really, and create an application using the Connect and some other kind of stuff to create the ectoplasm. But this time we're just kind of showing it with the one screen, whereas when it was originally installed at G++, which is a window space, we had 2 screens, and so it was kind of a larger cabinet. But what I like about the work is that it is adaptable, and it can kind of be shown in in different spaces. So hopefully it'll be shown somewhere again soon, but there'll be information online at the G++ website and also at my own website, dougjarvis.ca. And hopefully it'll be up again somewhere soon. But I just want to say thanks to Paul and Majinder and Justin and Ross, everyone at Limbic Media, for their help and the collaboration, because it's really great being an artist, being able to collaborate with technicians and programmers to create works that you can't quite, as an artist, know how to do everything. So I enjoy the collaborative process. And then also thanks to Belfry for letting me set it up here, and for MediaNet for their assistance with equipment and everything else that they helped me out with. But yeah, thank you.